I am going to teach you how to create a simple table by using MySQL Workbench. Adding tables to the physical schemata. Double-clicking the Add Table icon in the Physical Schemata section of the MySQL model page adds a table with the default name of Table 1. If a table with this name already exists, the new table is named Table 2. Adding a new table automatically opens the table editor dock at the bottom of the application. We can rename the table 1. To add a column, simply click the column name field in an empty row and enter an appropriate value. Select a data type from the Data Type drop-down list box. Check the checkbox under End column to disallow a null value and check the AI column if you are defining an auto-increment field. We can add another column. With the data type. To the left of the column name is an icon that indicates whether the column is a member of the primary key. If the icon is a small key, the column belongs to the primary key. Otherwise, the icon is a blue diamond. To add or remove a column from the primary key, double-click on the icon. You can also add a primary key by checking the primary key checkbox in the column details section of the table editor. Any tables added to the physical schemata also shows up in the catalog palette on the right side of the application. They may be added to an EER diagram by dragging and dropping them from this palette. That is how to create a simple table by using MySQL Workbench. I hope you learned from this simple tutorial.